Hello student, this is the second lecture of turning effect of forces. So in the last video I explained till the units of torque, okay, and the definition of torque. Now examples of turning effect in daily life. To unscrew a nut tightly fitted to a bolt, a wrench or a spanner with a long arm is used. As the length of the arm is long, the force required to produce a given turning effect is smaller. Okay, so students, we have noticed that you might have seen a wrench, okay, or when we try to open the bolt fitted, okay, with a wrench, you might have noticed the distance, or the handle of the wrench is very big. Okay, it is long. Now why it is kept long? Okay, it is kept long so to create more turning effect, so that easily with a little amount of force we can easily produce more torque. Okay, second point is that the steering wheels used in the car, buses, etc. can be turned by applying a force. By changing the point of application of force, a steering wheel could be moved in clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. Okay, so why the steering is so big? Okay, why it is kept so big? Why only not only this much smaller space is given? Okay, why a long arm is given? The reason is to create more torque. Okay, if the distance between the force and the perpendicular force and the pivoted point or the hinge is more, then more amount of torque can be produced. Okay, so that the handle can be turned easily clockwise and anti-clockwise. Okay, anti-clockwise and clockwise you can easily turn. Okay, applying less amount of force. Next, the head of a screw is made wider to produce a large torque, so the screw move easily. Okay, so you have seen a screwdriver, the head of the screw is made wide. Why it is made wide? To produce large torque. Okay, yes, so whenever the distance from the center is more, okay, then we will have to apply less amount of force. Okay, so with that less amount of force we can easily produce more torque. In a bicycle, the toothed wheel is rotated by applying less force on the pedal, which is at a large distance from the axle of the wheel. Okay, so in your bicycle you have noticed that the uh, pedal which is at a large distance from the axle. Okay, you have noticed that the distance between the axle and the paddle is long, okay, is more. Now why it is kept long paddle? Because to produce more amount of torque. Okay, yes, more amount of torque. For the same reason, the handle in a hand flour grinder is provided near its rim to produce a large turning effect. Okay, so hand flour grinder, what we say in Hindi chakki, right? So you might have seen that the handle is kept near the where it is kept at a distance, not near the center. Okay, at the edge. Why it is kept at the edge? To produce greater turning effect or a large turning effect. A heavy child sitting on one side of the seesaw balanced by a lighter child when he sits at a greater distance from the fulcrum on the other side. Okay, so you can see here that a heavy child, okay, who is sitting here, and another a lighter child, okay, he can balance this weight of the heavy child by sitting at a far distance. Okay, you can see more distance. Okay, so in that case with a little amount of force, but since the distance is more, it is this boy is producing what? Greater amount of torque. Okay, and able to balance the torque in this side. Okay, in a screw jack used to fit a car for changing its tire, a long handle is used to apply the force so as to give a large turning effect. Okay, so in a screw jack which is used to lift a car, okay, for changing its tire, a long handle is used to apply the force so as to give a large turning effect. Okay, in order to give a large turning effect, okay, you have seen or you might have noticed sometimes that uh, while changing the tire, okay, excuse me, while changing the tire of a car or a truck, okay, a hydraulic jack is used, okay, a long handle is attached with it. Now why this long handle is used? A long handle is used to produce greater turning effect with less amount of force. Okay, now some examples of numericals are given, so we will practice this nicely. Okay, calculate the torque produced when a force of 50 Newton act on a body. The distance between the point of rotation and the line of action of force is 40 centimeter. Okay, now dear students, what is the formula of moment of force? Tell me. Okay, the formula of moment of force is force into displacement. Okay, now what is the displacement given here? 40 centimeter. You have to convert it into SI unit. Okay, so in SI unit, what it is? 0.4 meter. Now how we have done that? In order to convert centimeter into meter, we have to divide centimeter by 100. So if you divide 40 by 100, you will get 0.4 meter. Force is already given in SI unit, 50 Newton. So now apply it to the moment of force formula, force into displacement, 50 into 0.4, that is 20 Newton meter. Okay. Example, to calculate the distance between the force and the point of rotation, if a force of 200 Newton produces a torque of 40 Newton meter. Now here force is given and torque, moment of force is given. We have to calculate the distance, that is d. Now what is the formula? Just now we have written moment of force is equal to force into distance. Then what is the distance formula? From this relation we will get d is equal to moment of force divided by what? Divided by the force whatever it is given. Okay, so moment of force here it is given 40 Newton meter, force 200 Newton. Okay, so by this relation we can get, we will write here, okay, if possible you write here that d is equal to, so from this relationship you are getting d is equal to moment of force divided by what? Force. So we'll write moment of force, okay, moment of force divided by force. Okay, so here we will apply the formula moment of force 40 Newton meter and force given is 200, so we will get 20 centimeter answer. Okay, next, the two forces of 20 Newton each act vertically upward and downward respectively on two ends of uniform rod of length 1 meter, pivoted freely at its center. Determine the resultant moment of force about the midpoint, of the rod. Okay, now just see here, it has been given that force of 20, that means in both the side we are applying 20 Newton and 20 Newton force, right? So you have to calculate the resultant force. Resultant force means sum of clockwise and anti-clockwise moment. Now let us see. Now if the length of this rod is 100 meter, okay, if the length of this rod is 1 meter, then what is the center? 50 centimeter. Yes, because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, right? So the center should be at 50. Okay, now it is given that the length is AB is 1 meter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So OA is equal to AB, OA is equal to AB. So this center will be 50 centimeter or 0.5 meter. Okay, moment of force at A about point O. Now moment of force at this side, this point, how will you find? The moment of force formula is, tell me what is the force formula? Yes, moment of force is equal to force into perpendicular distance. Now, this is force into perpendicular distance is how much? 0.5 meter. Yes, 0.5 meter this side also 0.5 meter, right? Yes, so multiply it, you will get the moment of force. So what is the moment of force in this side? You are getting 10 Newton meter. Next, moment of force at B about point O. Similarly, the moment of force about B, what it will be? Again, force into perpendicular distance. So force is 20 Newton into perpendicular distance is 0.5 meter. Okay. Now, how will you calculate the resultant moment? Yes. So the resultant moment is calculated by the sum of clockwise and anti-clockwise moment, right? Now, in this case, in which direction is it moving? In which direction is it moving? It is moving in the same direction. You see, if you follow it, you will see the direction is same, right? So the total moment of force, you will get 10 Newton meter this side and 10 Newton meter this side. So the total moment of force is 20 Newton meter. Clear? Okay. Now, so we have almost completed the chapter. In next video lecture, I will discuss the question answers of this. So go through the video, okay, and I will show you one animation. So just watch it attentively, okay.
Think of a spanner loosening a fixed nut, or a child on a seesaw, or a door opening around a fixed hinge. All of these things are connected by something called moments. A moment is the turning force around a fixed pivot. The pivot is the nut, or the middle of the seesaw, or the hinge. We can have one moment acting, which results in a turning force. Or if something is balanced or in equilibrium, the moments are equal and opposite. To be balanced, this lighter child needs to sit further away from the pivot, and the heavier child needs to be closer. This is because the size of a moment is determined by the force and a distance. So the moment of the lighter person is 500 newtons multiplied by 2 meters, 1000 Newton meters. And the heavier person is 1000 times 1 meter to also give 1000 Newton meters. They're perfectly balanced on their seesaw. Did you notice that moments are measured in Newton meters, Nm, because force is measured in newtons, N, and distance in meters? Note that the distance must be the perpendicular distance from the pivot to force. Here's another example. Can you work out what moments the woman is applying to tighten the wheel nut? Pause the video and work it out. Did you get 3 Newton meters? Were you careful to change the 30 centimeters into meters? We can also place this formula into a formula triangle. Force equals moments divided by distance. Distance equals moments divided by force. And moments, as we already know, is force times distance. Here are 2 more questions for you to try. Pause the video and work them out. Did you get both questions right? For this seesaw, we do actually say clockwise moments and anti-clockwise moments. And for something to be balanced, the clockwise and anti-clockwise moments must be equal. So there we have moments. They're measured in Newton meters and are the force multiplied by the perpendicular distance.
Okay, so thank you for watching the video. Okay, so once you watch it, you should write in the comment section that your name, okay,